Good afternoon, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to choose and create the very best YouTube thumbnail to help promote your channel. Of course, we all know without that compelling thumbnail, no one will be able to click on it or look at it. So if you have a thumbnail that looks just like this, who's going to click on it? Of course, we've all seen the how to grow fast on YouTube, how to do this, how to do that. There's a science behind YouTube that not everyone will tell you about. For example, on my YouTube channel, I place a thumbnail on the video that's searchable and clickable at the same time. So it's always best to have that clickable thumbnail. If you have a ratty looking thumbnail, if you have a not really good looking thumbnail, fuzzy, no one's going to click on it. You can always visit canva.com or look up on the internet YouTube thumbnail, create free thumbnails. You can create custom thumbnails. There's a thumbnail academy for your YouTube channel, but you need to always make sure you have a great looking thumbnail. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to title it. If you visit some of these how to add a thumbnail to your video, you can also create a thumbnail down here on support.google.com/YouTube. They teach you how to make the best thumbnails out of a picture. Also, if you add text to your thumbnail, you're going to get tons of more views on YouTube. There's also a YouTube Thumbnail 101. And you can go in and you can create text on your YouTube. 9 times out of 10, about 1 in 5 people that are scrolling through YouTube will click on a YouTube video with text added. So keep that in mind. If you add text to your YouTube thumbnail, they're going to click on it. And there's a chat forum. There's all kinds of information. What's a thumbnail and how do I add it to my YouTube video? Let's close that out just a second. There's special instructions on how to add a text onto your thumbnail on YouTube and so much more. So here's some examples on some YouTube thumbnails with text. And of course, I would click on it, being curious on how to put a text on YouTube, on my YouTube thumbnail, so that everyone will click on it. There's also Thumbnail Generator by TubeBuddy. If you go to TubeBuddy, there's a thumbnail generator on TubeBuddy. If you have TubeBuddy or vidIQ. There's also, you can do the dimensions on the thumbnail, the top 5 best fonts on thumbnail. Blue's usually the favorite color on YouTube. Also red. YouTube thumbnail classes. Clickbait thumbnail. How to make a YouTube thumbnail on view.com. viewstop.com. Put your text down there. How to make thumbnails for YouTube. How to make a cut. There's all kinds of places you can visit and websites you can visit. Also videos on YouTube. How to make YouTube thumb templates. There's a good one. You can visit that one. The perfect YouTube thumbnail. learn.g2.com/YouTube thumbnail. You can visit that site. Picking the best YouTube thumbnails for your video will rank you higher in YouTube SEO and YouTube search. So please keep that in mind. The next video I make is going to be about titling your YouTube videos and the secret little hack that I learned from experience. So if you would like to know how to get more views on YouTube, you can always include a text on your YouTube video. And that will gain you more views, more watch time, more watch hours, more likes, more subscriptions, as it did for me. So remember to include text on your YouTube thumbnail. And it will double, triple, even quadruple your subscribers on YouTube. I'll be looking for that beautiful thumbnail to click on first. Be sure to take a look at my other videos, and if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and most importantly, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.